actually have a signed contract, a forward purchase contract with the home builders coming in to buy the land from you after your project. So you lock in the delta, like you lock in the profit on day one, and you have a papered exit that's built in.
Alice Chen, a former M&A lawyer who graduated with her JD. In 2013, Alice was recognized as a top 40 under 40 by Business in Vancouver. She's founded multiple companies with 7-figure revenue and 8-figure valuations, achieving 3 successful exits. Her experience spans raising capital for private equity funds as both a capital raiser and a sponsor, as well as securing venture capital funding as a startup founder.
We are short about 4.8 million single family homes in the United States. The top 50 home builders altogether, it takes them all building at capacity about 10 years to fulfill that 4.8 million supply gap. This problem is not going away anytime soon. We need a lot more homes to be built. But given the current uncertainties, sure, maybe some of the home builders are sitting on more inventory than what they're used to in the last couple of years, but it doesn't mean that they're not moving the inventory.
The Legends of Land Show.